Welcome back. 7 people were killed in Bihar on Monday morning as an express train plowed into pilgrims at remote and poorly connected area in Bihar. Reports say that agitated mobs set the train on fire and also assaulted the driver. Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has announced relief of 2 lakhs each to the family of deceased.
The incident occurred at 8:45 on Monday morning at the Dhamara Ghat station. Almost 37 people, mostly female and children, were killed in the incident. Sources says that 30 others are left injured. The violent mob reportedly assaulted the train driver, set trains on fire and vandalized the station. Those killed were mostly devotees of Lord Shiva, who were crossing the tracks at the Dhamara Ghat station in Katyanistan, the site of popular Shiva temple. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has announced 2 lakh rupees to the families of the deceased.
मुझे गहरा दुख है आज इतने लोग दुर्घटना के शिकार हो गए हैं। हम लोगों ने राज्य सरकार की तरफ से प्रति पीड़ित के हिसाब से 1.5 लाख रुपए का अनुग्रह अनुदान और मुख्यमंत्री राहत कोष से 50,000 रुपए का, तो राज्य की तरफ से 2 लाख रुपए के अनुग्रह अनुदान का निर्णय लिया है।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट।
CCP Mayor Surendra Futhardo has opposed the decision of government to allow the replacement of the offshore casino with much larger MV Horseshoe. Futhardo says money is not everything. If casinos are considered for economy of the state, then legalize prostitutions and Matka too. Futhardo says that he did not expect this from an MLA whom he had voted for.
I oppose the decision of the government of Goa to have allowed the replacement of offshore casino Arabian Sea King with a much larger MV Horseshoe, which shows the betrayal done by the Panjim MLA, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Do you know what is the meaning of 6-story casino? It is as good as having 4 new casinos. As a mayor, I have not renewed 5 trade licenses of casinos. I have kept it pending. Money is not everything. If you want money, then he can legalize prostitution. If you want money, he can legalize Madka. It's high time my MLA, whom I have voted, whom the people of Panjim have voted, should immediately cancel the licenses of all these casinos. If they want, if he has done some blunder, let him shift out of Mandavi River.
Meanwhile, CCP has asked the traders in capital city to pay their trade license taxes. CCP claims that many have not paid their dues for a couple of years and are running their business illegally. The CCP will give 2 months to all to settle their trade licenses dues, failing to which CCP will seal their premises. Video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Anant Vernikar is all set to become the chairman of Goa Marketing Federation. Federation on Monday co-opted Pandurang Naik as a director. Ponda Consumer Cooperative Society disqualified director Gurunath Naik and had requested Marketing Federation to induct Pandurang Naik as a new director.
Anant Vernikar is all set to become the chairman of Marketing Federation. Post was vacant after chairman Narayan Naik resigned few days back. Federation co-opted Pandurang Naik as the director in a special meeting held on Monday. Ponda Consumer Cooperative Society had written letter to the Goa State Cooperative Marketing and Supply Federation to replace Gurunath Naik. Now the strength of Vernikar Group is 5 against 3.
To fill up the vacancy created due to the seizure of the Gurunath Naik, director of Marketing Federation, representing PS Consumer Cooperative Society, we have accepted the nomination of Pandurang K. Naik.
After resignation of Chairman Narayan Naik, Anant Vernikar showed his interest for the post. There was no quorum due to absence of 4 directors. On 29 July, the Registrar of Cooperative Societies had issued show cause notice to the Board of Directors of the Goa Cooperative Marketing and Supply Federation for repetitive failure to hold election. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.